welcome back to the 4th episode of this mini nail series where I put my ornaments on a nail. If you like this content, y'all hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Also, get into these nails. This is a press-on nail set from my boutique, and the information will be in the description box below. So y'all, this is the ornament that I am looking to not necessarily replicate or recreate or duplicate or whatever, but I am going to just let this be my inspiration. I don't want it to be exact, but we're gonna make something shake here. Let me just make this clear though. So I practiced this design on other sample nails and it wasn't giving, so this is going to be my inspired look for this ornament. Getting started with the materials that I used, I'm using the Beetles white gel polish in number 894. Then I'm going in with this builder gel in a bottle and the no wipe top coat. Then I'm going in with this red chrome. Y'all have seen this a lot, but we're not finished with it. Next, these are the stiletto sample tips that I use just to practice on, but also for this nail series. So for the first step, I'm just going to take that white gel polish and make a thin coat on the sample stiletto nail and cure that for 90 seconds. Looking at the ornament, I wanted to make sure that I knew what I was looking at. So I'm going to take the builder base or builder gel in a bottle, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just going to tap the edge of the inside of the bottle where I have some product, and I'm going to make like spider webs. I want to stretch out the builder gel to where it can reach around the other side of the nail, and it'll look like a spider web or like a chocolate drizzle, but try not to make it too thick. You know, if you make thin lines, then it will look clean in the end, because if you see the one thick line that I did, I had to wipe some of that off. So yeah, and then when you finish, cure for 90 seconds. All right. Now I know on the ornament it looks glassy, but I really wanted to put a little bit of boom bap in here, okay? I really wanted it to look shiny and metallic, really glittery. I wanted it to look glittery. There we go. Now I kind of messed up, but not really. I could have put some top coat, like regular glossy top coat, on top of this design. However, if I did that, I would have lost the texture of the drizzle, and I didn't want to do that. And also, if I would have done that, it would have been like mirror like, and I didn't want that either. So I did the right thing, but I didn't know how to encapsulate the chrome properly, if that makes sense. So this looks really light and it's giving pink when I want it red. So I went in there with like 3 layers of chrome, just rubbing it in with a lot of pressure. And after about 3 layers, it looked good. It looked good. The drizzle started to come through. It was giving more definition. And yeah, once I did that and I rubbed it all in or whatever, I didn't cure it or anything like that, because I have one last step to do. Oh yeah, I forgot. So before this last step, you want to make sure that you fan off the nail, because there's a lot of residual chrome powder on the nail, and you want to get that off, because when you're using the top coat, you don't want to contaminate the top coat with this powder, and then over time now your top coat is shimmery when you know you didn't want that. So make sure you fan it off. Okay. Now for the last step, y'all, I became paranoid. I did not want to contaminate my top coat. I really didn't. So I put a drop of that on my little dish that I have here. I just bought this. It's so cute, and it's very, very handy for the things that I like to do. So yeah, invest. All right. But I just take some of that and I lightly brush top coat over that design. If you put too much top coat, you will lose the texture of the drizzle. You will. So I tried to go in there and just apply pressure when needed. I made sure that I got the crevices and stuff like that, and I put it in my lamp for 90 seconds, and it looks like this. I think it looks really, really cute. It's different. It's kind of, it's giving the ornament, but not really at the same time. It's giving a little boom bap. All right, boom bap, boom bap, boom bap. I had to add my own little boom bap in there. Okay. And come to think about it, I feel like on my wrapping paper set that I have on, if I did this nail on a finger and then I made it matte, y'all, that would have been fire. Okay, the steps would have been a lot different, like order wise, but that would have been fire on this hand. Okay, but anyway, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoy this content, click that subscribe button and go ahead and give me a thumbs up, because this algorithm is crazy. And I hope you all have a happy holidays, and yeah, I will see you all on the flip side. All right, bye.